Welcome to today's video. We'll witness unbelievable moments on the streets, from shocking car crashes to vehicles smashing through walls. Amidst the chaos, miracles unfold, revealing emotional near-death escapes that will leave you breathless. Oh my, heart-stopping. A daring young man cycled across the tracks as two trains raced in from both sides. Death seemed to touch his shoulder. In a split second, his wheels left the tracks just as the trains roared past. Thank heavens he escaped by a hair's breadth, but luck won't always smile. Never gamble your life for a few seconds of haste. Total mayhem on Dubrava Avenue. It all began when an Audi A5, losing control, the Audi veered off-road, crashing into two Renaults, a BMW, and several parked cars, nearly hitting an elderly pedestrian. The chaos ended with the car flipping onto tram tracks, debris damaging nearby vehicles. Miraculously, the 67-year-old driver survived and was taken to the hospital, while the wrecked Audi was impounded for investigation. Reckless mistake or disaster in the making? Never underestimate a strange object on the road. It could be a deadly hazard. Oh no! A car suddenly lost control and slid down a slope. Inside, a woman screamed in panic, facing death itself. In that frozen moment, the car finally stopped after hitting parked vehicles, and she escaped safely. Never be complacent when parking on a slope. Always check the handbrake and gear. A split-second decision saved a life. An out-of-control truck crashed into a parked utility vehicle at high speed. Just inches away, a worker frantically waved for the truck to stop. Then, in a heart-stopping moment, the worker jumped to safety at the last second. The reckless driver fled the scene. So dangerous. A water tanker suddenly slid down a slope, lost control, and overturned in the middle of the road. The massive steel frame spun like a wild beast. Just a slight deviation could have led to disaster. But thankfully, the driver was unharmed. Slippery slopes, the silent enemy of drivers, never underestimate them. Some people should never be behind the wheel. This driver recklessly ignored construction barriers and attempted to cross an active railway. As warning alarms blared, panic set in. She fumbled to restart the car, but it was too late. In a heart-stopping moment, the train smashed into her vehicle just seconds later. Miraculously, she survived with only minor injuries. Never gamble with a moving train. A split second from disaster, a speeding car lost control and crashed straight into a tobacco shop, barely missing a man standing nearby. A risky move gone wrong. This black Audi tried to squeeze past a truck on the right, speeding dangerously close to the concrete barrier. But as the lane narrowed, there was nowhere left to go. The car got sandwiched between the truck and the divider, leaving both sides badly damaged. A lucky escape with no injuries, but a harsh lesson. Patience on the road can prevent costly mistakes. Road rage fueled by revenge. In a shocking act of fury, the driver of a white car allegedly targeted the black car's owner over a personal dispute. He first tried to ram him directly, but the black car's owner dodged just in time. Not backing down, the enraged driver then repeatedly smashed his car into the black vehicle, causing massive damage. A dangerous reminder that some grudges should never be settled behind the wheel. A heart-stopping moment on the freeway. A distracted cement truck driver suddenly realizes, too late, that the traffic ahead has stopped. In a desperate attempt to avoid a collision, they swerve sharply, almost flipping the giant vehicle. Disaster is almost avoided this time. Unbelievable. One wrong move, and this could have ended in disaster. The BMW M4 driver hit the gas in reverse, hard, sending the car flying backward and slamming straight into a streetlight, snapping it like a twig. Miraculously, no one was hurt, but the pole was completely wrecked. This is why knowing your car's power and checking your surroundings is crucial before stepping on the gas. What do you think went wrong here? Driver error? Or just bad luck? Let me know in the comments. Unbelievable, like a real-life action movie. A criminal in a red car suddenly raced forward, hijacked a white car and sped off. Sirens blaring behind him. The car tore down the road recklessly, with death looming over anyone in the way. One small mistake could spell disaster. An innocent person might lose everything. Never think fleeing is the solution. The law is always ahead. How do you think the police should handle such reckless criminals? Share your thoughts. Spine-chilling. A truck charged forward and crashed into a height limit barrier. The impact was so strong that the cargo box was dented, and the barrier fell onto the road. Luckily, no one was hurt, but the damage was significant. A truck crept slowly across a snow-covered, slippery road. Each turn of the wheel like a tug-of-war with death. The wheels turned slowly, and the body swayed. One small mistake could have made everything worse. But the experienced driver held firm and made a remarkable escape. A white car carelessly reversed, causing a collision. Then sped off as if nothing happened. But the price of such irresponsibility can be steep. Damage, disputes, and even danger to others. What just happened? A truck suddenly swerved sharply to change direction on a narrow road. The cargo box tilted dangerously as if about to overturn. Hard stopping, but the driver managed to regain control, stabilizing the vehicle and clutching a second chance at life, just before the abyss. Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate your support and for staying with us until the end. If you enjoyed the content or found it helpful, please give us a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you'll never miss our newest videos. We'll keep bringing you engaging, high-quality content. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next video.